Okay, got 2 glitches in the first Ratchet and Clank game. Do Super Pro 6 UI 33's glitch to walk through walls. Crap, messed up. Let me try it again. Crap. Okay, got it. Okay, and both of these glitches I found by mistake. One of them freaks me out, the other one's just cool.
Pretty sure.
Let me make sure I can walk through walls. Yeah. Okay. Like going the wrong way. Okay, go up here. Back camera angle. Okay. Now here's the part that freaks me out. Okay, you're gonna, it's weird. You go under the water. Watch. Go stand on this. And you're under the water with the fish. And you can't shoot him. He'll just eat you.
Okay,
that was a weird thing. That has never happened. But anyway, second glitch. And if anybody has found these glitches before me, just tell me or something. Second one, you gotta do walk through walls too. About the same thing, gotta go back to the same place, everything. But it's different. Let me make sure to walk through walls. Oh crap. Messed up. Let me go back there. Okay. Crap, we gotta start all the way back here. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, it worked. I think. Okay, go back up. And you're gonna be freaked out by this, but yeah. Go back here. Land in this water. You're swimming in the air. And guess what? Since you got the walk through walls glitch on, watch what happens when you swim towards things. At certain parts it'll work. Let me try it down here somewhere. See? I could probably make it in here. Let me try it. See? Pretty cool. Get out. Well, that's about it. See you in the next video, which is probably the next part of the Going Commando walkthrough.